Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the MCY USB-C docking station has everything you need. In today's video, we'll be covering the features of this incredible docking station, from dual monitor support to fast charging and more. 12-in-1 versatile connectivity. The docking station features an incredible 12-in-1 design, offering a range of ports, including 2 HDMI, VGA USB-C, USB-A, USB-C, USB-A, Ethernet, SAD, TF card slots, and more. This hub allows you to connect all your devices seamlessly. Triple display support. Set up triple displays with ease using the dual HDMI and VGA ports. You can extend or mirror your laptop screen across multiple monitors for improved multitasking and productivity. Super speed data transmission. This provides a more stable connection without wireless interference. Due to the USB 3, zero radio frequency interference to the wireless connection, it is advisable to connect your wireless device to the USB 2 zero port. High-speed charging. Support charging at max 85. This UZ docking station provides one Type-C pass-through female port by which you could securely charge your laptop while connecting multiple peripherals for data transferring and worry-free power storage. Gigabit Ethernet for fast and stable internet. For a fast and reliable wired internet connection, the Gigabit Ethernet port ensures smooth video streaming, conferencing, and downloads, especially useful when Wi-Fi is unstable. Wide compatibility. The MCY docking station is compatible with a wide range of devices, including the MacBook Pro, Dell XPS 13, and other USB-C-enabled laptops, making it a versatile solution for any setup. It is easy to use, reliable, and designed for modern drivers. Check out the link below for more details and make the switch to wireless CarPlay today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.